As the global community takes stock of the progress made in women's rights through this year's International Women's Day, the Lagos chapter of the Association of Women Engineers has seized the opportunity to honor iconic female engineers in the country.
I present to you this day
the Association of Professional Women Engineers, as APWEN in Nigeria, APWEN, as a division of the Nigeria Society of Engineers, has not been found wanting, as it has been massively contributing to education, gender equality, and also women girls empowerment as part of its effort towards the actualization of sustainable development goals.
Some of the female engineers that were awarded on the day include Engineer Yetunde Holloway, Chairman Committee on Women in Engineering; Engineer Olayinka Abdul, Director of Works, Lagos State Public Works Corporation; Engineer Chioma Hope Okoli, CEO, Halliburton Cloud Solutions; and the immediate past president of the chapter, Engineer Laolu Adedapo, among others.
Please, can we all remain? Come back.
Tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? But I be ready to listen to the melody to
It is another feather added to the cap. I thank the Almighty God. One is that whatever we achieve, we must attribute it to God. It's by His mercy. I believe there are so many other engineers too. I don't just take it for granted, being selected as one of the iconic engineers to be celebrated today. So it's a pleasure, it's a privilege. I look forward that God should grant me more mercy to do more, to impart more.
The president of APWEN, Engineer Fumilola Ojelade, spoke on the importance of recognizing and celebrating these distinguished women.
Because it's International Women's Day, one of the things you do on this kind of day is to celebrate the achievements of women. You will see that the women that they have chosen, for example, they chose the first female managing director of Lamata. They chose the de facto Commissioner for Works in Lagos, Engineer Shoyoye, and a few others, women who have achieved something that is spectacular and have risen up in the field of men. So we are picking them out to celebrate them. It's this kind of day that we use to do that.
She also reviewed the progress in pursuit of gender equality in the field.
In the field of engineering, I don't think we have attained that much. Essentially, this equality is about giving every person equal opportunities to prove themselves. But we are aware that in the engineering field, there are quite a number of opportunities that are open, and women are just not allowed to take it. Sometimes they are not told that they can't take it. They just don't give it to them. So we have a long way to go concerning that.
The event also doubled as the investiture of Engineer Mary Afolayan, an electrical engineer, as the chapter's 8th chairman.
I, Engineer Mary Afolayan, FNSC,
Do solemnly swear
to serve as the chairman
of the Association of Professional Women Engineers of Nigeria.
The newly conferred president, while expressing her excitement, pledged to uphold goal of the association as she pointed out the plans for her tenure.
I want to say I'm very delighted, and I want to say that it's a great honor and it's a responsibility, a challenge. And I do hope that within this tenure, we'll be able to achieve a lot of milestones that we can be able to say that APWEN Lagos have moved to its next level. This tenure will be having a lot of capacity development schemes, projects. We are going to start from the secondary school. We are going to be targeting the girls. When we are talking about equality, equality is in capacity. For you to be equal, you have to possess the capacity. So we want to enhance the capacity of the girl child such that they could be able to study engineering or any STEM subjects or courses in the university. To this end, we want to enhance them to pass JAMB.
I don't mind.